Ravi Salunke, in the situation where lots of liquidity is stuck in real estate and infrastructure, how that can be used and leveraged to enhance the economy. Anil, you would like to have a take at it, or I can also go for it? In the situation where lots of liquidity is stuck, yeah, in real estate and infrastructure, how can that be used and leveraged to enhance the economy?
That's a tough question. I think, Rajesh, you might be able to answer, because that's a very true problem. People who have bought properties.
Yes, Ravi Salunke, this economy is going to be revived on loans. What is the concept of a loan? The concept of a loan is you take money which is not yours, you work for repaying that money, and this creates activity in the economy. Everybody under the sun today will have to live on a loan economy. The easiest person who gets a loan is the government. They are going to take the loan and run the country. The entrepreneurs are going to take loan and run the businesses, and the individuals are going to take loans and run their families. So this is going to be the process henceforth for many years to come. And when you take loans, you become responsible to repay them. And that pressure of repayment is going to propel the economy to grow, because that will increase the transactions in the society. So this is the rule and the formula which is going to happen. All the people who have got their money locked in infrastructure and real estate have to connect with the financial institutions. They are flushed with funds. Their credit disbursements have dropped from 7 lakh crores to just 91,000 crores. So now the credit disbursements in the market will grow dramatically high. Reserve Bank is going to take a very liberal view on that. Government of India and the finance ministry is going to take a very liberal move on that. And all entrepreneurs who have got their funds stuck in businesses will have to approach the financial institutions and raise money to propel their businesses and the economy.